Hello my love, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Harriet, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to select the correct foundation shade for your skin tone, a shade that matches your skin tone. So foundation is not supposed to change the way you look, it's just supposed to cover up the dark marks that you have or the spots that you have so that you have an even skin tone. So if you're interested in watching this video, please watch till the end. And also if you're a newbie, welcome honey to the family. Please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button, and make sure that you also click on the bell button that is next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of whenever I upload a new video. And also if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you, and please don't forget to like, comment and share, and let's get right into it. Before we begin, I'm going to talk a little bit about foundation so that we know exactly why we use it. So foundation is used to cover up your blemishes, your scars, your marks, and all the dark spots on your face so that you have an even skin tone. That's why we use foundation. There are different kinds of foundation that we have. There is liquid foundation, there is cream foundation, there is powder. There are different sorts of foundations that we use for our skin tone. In today's video I have 4 different shades of foundation, and this is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. So I have the shade Cappuccino. Firstly, that's the one that we're going to try, and then I have toffee as well. I have toffee as well. We can try toffee. And then I also have mocha. We can try mocha as well. And then I also have hazelnut. So these are the 4 foundations that I have, and we're going to try them to find the correct shade that matches my skin tone. So that you do not have to worry whenever you select a foundation, or whenever you go and buy a foundation, you know which shade to select for your skin tone. So I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to be using this brush to blend my foundations, and the first one that I'm going to start with mocha. I'm going to go from the darkest to the lightest so that you can see, and I'm going to start with mocha, and mocha is the darkest shade that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it and I'm going to squish it on my hand like so. So I have that product, and then I'm just going to swash it on my face. So how do you know? Your foundation is supposed to match with your neck so that your neck and your face do not have a difference. So what I will do is I'm going to take mocha, and I'm going to apply mocha here, and then I'm just going to blend mocha a little bit. Like so. So as you can see, firstly, what you can see is my skin tone and mocha are 2 different shades. If we compare that to my chest, mocha and my chest is also, and my neck and chest is also different. So definitely mocha is out, right? And then I'm going to take a different shade of foundation as well. Now I'm going to take hazelnut. I'm going to take hazelnut, and I'm going to put hazelnut next to mocha, and I'm just going to squeeze hazelnut onto my hand as well. And then I'm going to take hazelnut, and I'm going to apply hazelnut next to mocha. I'm just going to blend, and maybe I'll just draw a line so that you can tell the difference between hazelnut and mocha. Draw a black line here. This is where the guideline between mocha and hazelnut is. Okay, so as we can see, hazelnut is also different from my facial skin tone and my neck and chest as well. So hazelnut is also a no now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the other two foundations, I'm going to put them on this side so that you know that here is mocha and hazelnut. So now I'm going to take Cappuccino. This girl right here is Cappuccino, and I'm going to use Cappuccino to check if Cappuccino can work. And I'm going to squeeze Cappuccino on my hand. There is Cappuccino. Cappuccino looks a little bit more orange. So I'm going to take Cappuccino and I'm going to blend her here. And also just blend her a little bit more. So Cappuccino is light, but Cappuccino is a bit orange. So if we compare Cappuccino and mocha and hazelnut, they are also two different. So Cappuccino is a bit lighter, and we can see that Cappuccino is also close. Cappuccino may not be exactly, it may not be the exact shade that I may use, but Cappuccino, you can work with her and make it work. So Cappuccino works. She's close to my neck and my chest shade, so Cappuccino, I can make her work. She can work. So let's see. I'm going to take another one. So this is Cappuccino. I think I feel better about Cappuccino. And then the last one that I'm going to take is Toffee. And I'm going to squeeze Toffee on my hand as well. So there is Toffee. And this one is her. This is Toffee. So I'm also going to take Toffee and I'm going to blend her on the other side as well. So there is Toffee. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to bring you guys inside, zoom you a little bit so that you can see what I'm talking about. So this one is Toffee, and I like Toffee. Toffee matches, she's very close to my neck. Toffee matches my neck. Also Toffee matches my chest. It's only that my chest has sunburns, so sometimes I cannot exactly use my chest because I wear open tops and they will be, and I get sunburns sometimes. So I usually compare to the neck, and I can see that Toffee matches my neck and also Toffee matches my skin complexion. So if I was to select a foundation among the four completely, we know that mocha is out, hazelnut is out, and then yeah, mocha is out, hazelnut is out, and then Cappuccino is close. Cappuccino can work when I have sunburns, and also Toffee. I like Toffee, so which means Toffee will work. Toffee will be the foundation that you should get if you're in a situation like mine. So if I were to buy, I would definitely go for Toffee. And also I would also buy Cappuccino because I also have days when I get sunburns, and um, Toffee would be too light for me. And this is how I select my foundation. So I'm just still going to draw a line just to divide the two so that you can see that this is Toffee and this is Cappuccino, and then this is Mocha and this is hazelnut. Okay guys, so these are the foundation shades that I had to try for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So if I was to select which foundation to go for, I would definitely select Toffee because Toffee works well with my skin tone. It matches my neck, so I wouldn't have to do much editing to my skin so that it makes sense. And also I would also go for Cappuccino, because Cappuccino is closer to my skin tone. As well, Cappuccino works when I get sunburns, so I'll definitely go for Cappuccino and Toffee. But if I was to use the foundation now, I would definitely go for Toffee, because Toffee matches my skin tone. Apart from the fact that you get sunburns sometimes, and when I do get sunburns, Toffee would be more lighter than my shade, and I would have a lighter face and a dark neck and chest, so it wouldn't make sense. However, if we're going to look at Mocha and Hazelnut, these are too dark and they wouldn't work because they do not match my neck as well. And also, to make it work, then you would have to mix Mocha or Hazelnut with another lighter foundation than Toffee, so that you also get a foundation shade that makes sense for your skin tone. So you would have to mix it, and you wouldn't want to go through the process of buying several foundations so that you mix them to make a correct foundation. So guys, this is how you can select the correct foundation for your shade, for your complexion, and for your skin tone, so that it matches. Guys, you shouldn't go through trouble to select your foundation. And this is how I do select my foundation, and when I'm buying foundation. So I love Maybelline products, guys. Maybelline is I love Maybelline products. Maybelline works for me, especially the Superstay. They work for me because I've got normal to oily skin, and these are matte, which means that they will last the whole day. So these are my favorite. I've tried different foundations. I've tried Black Opal. I've also tried LA True Colors. They work as well. They're good foundations, but Maybelline has been doing the most for me. So if you want a foundation to buy, you should also know the kind of skin that you have. Do you have normal to oily? Do you have normal to dry? So that you know the kind of foundation that goes well with your skin, apart from the shade. So you need everything foundation. You need the shade. You need to know the shade. You need to know your skin type, and also a foundation that goes well with your skin type. So I hope this video made sense, guys, and I hope you learned a lot from my video. So thank you guys for watching till the end. If you've reached this part, thank you so much. I salute you. You are my G and I appreciate you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest. Please, if you want to watch more of my videos, I will have a link to most of my videos in my description as well. It's going to pop up somewhere here during the video, and I hope you enjoy it, guys. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share with your family and your friends, so that our family grows. And yeah, guys, I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.